Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name. Blue color, red color, yellow color, brown color, green color, black color. Kids, now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. And use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, now draw D. D for dog, D for doll. And use red color. E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, again use red color and draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now draw G. G for God, G for glass. And use yellow color. Kids, again use yellow color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. I for eyes, I for ice cream. Kids, now draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. And use brown color. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids, again use brown color and draw L. L for lion. Kids, now draw M. M for moon, M for mango. And use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use black color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, again use black color and draw Q. Q for queen. Kids, now draw R. R for rose. Kids, now draw R. R for rose, R for rice. And use blue color. S. S for sun, S for snake. Kids, again use blue color and draw T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, now draw U. U for umbrella. And use red color. V. V for van, V for vanilla. Kids again use red color and draw W. W for wolf. Kids might draw X. X for X-ray. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw Y. Y for yak. Kids now draw Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. And again use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids now draw numbers. And first you draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use brown color. Brown color. O N E 1. 2. T W or 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. And again use brown color. T H R double E 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4. And use green color. Green color. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. Kids again use green color and draw 6. S I X 6. The numbers of 6. Kids now draw 7. The numbers of 7. And use black color. Black color. S E 3 E and 7. 8. E I G H T 8. Kids again use black color and draw 9. The numbers of 9. N I N E 9. Kids now draw 10. The numbers of 10. And again use black color. Black color. T E and 10. The numbers of 10. Kids today draw A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Kids numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.